Top 10 most aggressive sea animals. About 70% of our planet is occupied by water. There are more than 1 million different species of creatures that call the ocean their home. While scientists estimate that there are millions of species yet undiscovered, many of these species are very aggressive. They love to prey, and the method they adopt is simply mind-blowing. We at Top 10 World welcome you to our channel, and to keep you informed, motivated, and amused, we're here again today with a list of the top 10 most aggressive sea animals. So without any further ado, let us jump right into our list. Pufferfish. Pufferfish belong to the family of primarily marine estuarine fish of the order Tetraodontiformes, called Tetraodontidae. Pufferfish have a scaleless skin, which is usually very rough and spiky. Pufferfish look very harmless, but they're very dangerous because of the toxicity they possess. They lash upon their prey swiftly. Studies tell that one pufferfish has enough toxin to kill about 25 to 30 adults. The venom possessed by pufferfish is known to be 1,000 times more lethal than cyanide. Blue-ringed octopus. Most octopuses are venomous, but the blue-ringed octopuses, comprising the genus Haploleclina, are 4 highly venomous species of octopuses. These octopuses are found in tide pools and coral reefs in the Pacific and Indian Oceans. These octopuses are quick in their crime, as the ones suffering from their bite may not realize any pain before serious complications. The venom they possess sabotages human respiratory systems and causes paralysis. According to studies, they have enough venom to kill about 26 adults. There's another very interesting fact about these octopuses, that when they're provoked, they start flashing in a neon blue color. Stonefish. Sinancea is a genus of fish of the family Sinanceidae, the stonefish, whose members are venomous, dangerous, and even fatal to humans.
You tread on one of these, it's your body weight that injects that.
They're the most venomous fish known, and they are found in the coastal regions of the Indo-Pacific. If you even inadvertently step on it, it will inject its venom into your body via its dorsal spines. The more of the venom it injects, the more your life is in jeopardy. Stings result in terrible pain, mild itching, necrosis, swelling, and even death. These fish have 13 spines with venomous sacs. They wait for their prey and attack on it viciously. Interestingly, they can grow up to 40 centimeters in length. Great white shark. The great white shark belongs to the species of large mackerel shark, which can be found in the coastal surface waters of all the major oceans. Humans are not their preferred prey, but they're still dangerous and have been responsible for many unprovoked attacks. The great white shark sits comfortably near the top of the food chain, where a single bite from their sharp teeth can be fatal. According to reliable sources, only about 3,500 great white sharks are left in the world. Lionfish. Pterois, or lionfish, is a genus of venomous marine fish. Lionfish is characterized by a conspicuous warning coloration with red, white, creamy, or black bands showing pectoral fins and venomous spiky fin rays. They're invasive in nature. Invasive species can cause extinction of native plants and animals, reducing biodiversity, competing with native organisms for limited resources, and altering habitats. The lionfish is known for its many spiky fin rays, which also happen to be highly venomous. The sting might not be fatal for humans, but obviously they're very painful.
3.
Surprisingly so, lionfish have a long lifespan of around 15 years. Another interesting fact, Florida wildlife officials are offering a bounty of around $5,000 for dead lionfish. Before moving on to the next point, we have a little challenge for you. Let us see how many of you are aggressive enough to kill that like button. Best of luck. Box jellyfish. Box jellyfish are cnidarian invertebrates distinguished by their cube-shaped medusae. Some species of box jellyfish produce extremely potent venom. They're accountable for more human fatalities on the Australian continent than sharks. Even trying to remove the tentacles can cause more venom to be discharged, and death can occur within 5 minutes of being stung.
Box jellyfish, one of the most dangerous creatures on the planet.
The box jellyfish is one of the most ferocious creatures to roam the ocean. A sting from a box jellyfish will be extremely uncomfortable and can in many cases be fatal to humans. These jellyfish lure their prey of small fish with their tentacles, readying them for a deadly sting. Tiger sharks. Tiger sharks are considered as macropredators. They can grow about 5 meters in length. Populations are found in many tropical and temperate waters, especially around Central Pacific islands. Feasting on a diet of seals, squid, birds, and turtles, the tiger shark has a highly varied diet, therefore making it a deadly threat. After great white sharks, they are considered as second most dangerous species of sharks. They can even eat other sharks.
This is an extremely dangerous situation.
Tiger sharks migrate to Hawaii each June to prey on albatross. Potentially, these sharks are not a threat to humans, but since they are one of the most aggressive animals, the nearby swimmers got to know about their mood swings beforehand to avoid casualties. Sea snakes. Sea snakes, or coral reef snakes, are a subfamily of venomous elapid snakes, the hydrophinia that inhabit marine environments for most of their lives. Found in the Indian and Pacific Oceans, there are around 50 different species of sea snakes. The most poisonous species is the beaked sea snake, whose venom is 8 times as toxic as a cobra's. Just 1.5 milligrams of its venom could kill up to 8 humans. Luckily, they're not known to attack humans often, just do not provoke them. Stingrays. Stingrays highly resemble sharks. According to the hierarchy, they are divided into 8 families. Stingrays are unique cartilaginous fish with flat bodies and long barbed tails. Stingrays are known for their passive behavior and will not usually attack, but when they do so, they make sure their prey remembers the suffering for a long time. Most reported cases are of divers or swimmers who've accidentally stepped on them. When threatened, the stinger in the stingray's tail will whip up. Contact with a stinger will usually cause pain and possible infection. More serious attacks are rare, but can involve poisoning and even death. Great barracuda. The great barracuda, also known as the giant barracuda, is a common species of barracuda. It is a large predatory ray-finned fish found in subtropical oceans around the world. Measuring up to 6 feet, the great barracuda uses lightning speed and ambush tactics to catch its prey, fish. The great barracuda's fang-like teeth are very similar to those of a piranha, and there have been reported cases of barracudas leaping out of the water and injuring boaters. So guys, that was our list of the top 10 most aggressive sea animals. Which one do you think was the most vicious of them all? Your suggestions play a vital role in helping us create better content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comments section. If you guys like our content, do share our video with your friends, but a subscribe to the channel would be mesmerizing. See you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.